My name is Jordi Zambrano. My phone number is 0981572220 and my email is jsduxi@nbranohirc@nch2 N. I'm 22 years old and I live in Calderon and Quito. I am currently studying electronic engineering. I am every day with a sleeping and they usually get up at 7 and to go to school and do my homework. My best friend is short and has curly black hair and we often study together. I'm talking to my teacher and classmates are reading books while I am working on a school project these days. I usually buy 6 apples and we eat sunrise every day and have a snowfall at home. I like the mountains but I also enjoy the beach, so I travel usually with my family. Yes, I went out yesterday and helped someone recently yesterday in study and playing football, and last weekend I went to park near my home. There is a supermarket and school and there is a lot of traffic in my city. I like to play football and read books and I usually read, study and play football during the week. I would like to eat pizza today and I am going to visit my grandparents on Wing. I feel see a rest and drink water and try to eat healthy books. Sometimes I eat squid. I can play football and I am proud of learning English. This weekend I'm going to watch movie and mix my friends at the movie is exercising.